Hello students, my name is Kritika and I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about some very interesting chapters of a computer. So let's start with our fourth chapter, the keyboard. So students, before we start our chapter, let's have a quick look on lesson objectives, types of keys, alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. So students, now we have some warm-up questions. Question number 1 is, what do you use to write on your notebook? So students, you have to write the answer of this question in the given blank. Question number 2, do you use the same thing to write on a computer? You have to write the answer of this question in the blank. Question number 3 is, what do you use to write on a computer? You have to write the answer of this question in the blank. We use pen or pencil to write in our notebook. In computer world, keyboard is used for the same. Keyboard has many small buttons are called keys. We need a keyboard to type anything. A computer's keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and function and into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. So students, let's know the fact. There are 104 keys on a keyboard. So students, now we have checkmate. Learn the spelling of the word keyboard. Now arrange the jumbled up keys to spell keyboard. So students, now we have types of keys. There are 3 types of keys on a keyboard and these are alphabet keys like A, B and C. Then number keys like 1, 2 or 3. Then special keys like spacebar, backspace, enter, etc. So students, here you can see a picture of keyboard in which you can see different types of keys like number keys, alphabet keys and backspace, spacebar, special keys and enter. So students, now we learn about alphabet keys. The keys on which you see letters of English alphabet from A to Z are called alphabet keys. These are used to type letters and words. For example, to type computer, you can press C, O, M, P, U, T, E, R on the keyboard. So students, let's know the fact. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard and keyboard is an input device. So students, now we have class activity. Color all the alphabet keys. So students, here you can see a picture of keyboard. You have to color all the alphabet keys from A to Z. So students, let's learn about number keys. The keys on which you see numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. These are used to type numbers. For example, to type 259, you have to type 2, 5 and then 9 on the keyboard. Now we have class activity. Circle all number keys. So students, here you can see a picture of a keyboard. You have to circle all the number keys from 0 to 9. So students, let's learn about special keys. The key on which you can see words are called special keys. These are used for specific tasks. For example, move to next line while typing. Some special keys are Spacebar Key. So students, here you can see a spacebar key. This is the spacebar key. It is used to give blank space between letters, words and numbers. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Now we have arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor in 4 directions, left, right, up. So students, now we have enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. A keyboard has 2 enter keys for same purpose. It comes in different shape. Now we have backspace key. The backspace key works like an eraser. You can erase the letters by one left to the cursor by processing this key. So students, let's know the fact. Keyboard is a primary device used to enter text. So students, now we have delete key. Delete means to erase. Delete key is also used to erase letters and number. It erases the letters and numbers one by one to the right of the cursor. Now we have caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to switch on capital letters. Press the caps lock key once. This will turn on the light of the caps lock on the keyboard. When you type the text, it will appear in capital letters. For example, my name is Priya Yadav. If you turn on the caps lock, all the letters will appear in capital letters. Now we have cursor. The blinking line that appears when you open an empty document is called cursor. So students, what we have learned on this chapter, let's have a look on key points. Keyboard is used for typing work. The small button on the keyboard are called keys. There are three types of keys: alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. Alphabet keys are used to type alphabets. Number keys are used to type numbers, and the enter key takes the cursor to a new line. Backspace key erases the letter to the left of the cursor. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. So students,